Hi, I'm Fanurly
I'm Ismail.
and welcome to our home. The theme for our home is modern Victorian come Manhattan. So we get our inspirations from movies such as 50 Shades of Grey and also bridal magazines.
Personally, my favorite part of the home is definitely the living room. I always wanted the penthouse look. We make the storage underneath the staircase that not visible to others, like a hidden secret door.
For me, my favorite part of the house will be my bedroom, where I am able to work on time, on target, and after I've exhausted my brain juice, I could just take a nap on top, which is very convenient for me, and also hide all my sewing stuff and all my fabrics underneath the staircase. We would highly recommend Yi from the Mind Design because she's able to meet the requirements and also execute everything perfectly. We advise new homeowners to do a lot of research,
Especially on the company.
yes, to get a reliable one who has a lot of chemistry with you, who answers your calls 24/7, and then who is able to be patient with you, because for us we are quite demanding and we have certain strict guidelines that we want, and we need a good ID who can really tailor to us and understand and meet our expectations. So happy renovating.
Thanks for watching.
Bye. Thank you for coming. Yeah, no, tak.
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.